This is 2010 Honda Accord. I believe that from 2008 to 2013 is the same model. Okay, I'm gonna find out. But okay, we got a problem with this Honda Accord. Okay, as you can see, we got the check engine light on. The check engine light on is blinking. The car is not moving. It's only moving like 25 miles per hour. They say the transmission was the problem, which in my experience, I don't think so, because when I see the check engine light blinking, this could be a misfire. So if it's a misfire, three things could be the problem. Most of the time, the problem is the injector, number one. Number two would be the ignition coil. And number three would be the spark plug. Rare cases, the low compression, maybe the timing is off. But I mean, most of the time, these are the problems when you got a misfire. But we have to check if it's a misfire also. You need a scanner, any scanner. You just want to read the code, what the check engine light is. Okay, we got the scanner plug in, and as you can see, you got a misfire on cylinder number 3. If the car is not moving and you got misfire on 3 and 4, I mean, that's only 2 cylinders working. So let's see what else we got. Okay, the PO420, which is the catalytic converter, and misfire on cylinder 3. Okay, so I'm going to reset it, and I'm going to swap the ignition coils. And we got the 2.4 liter. So this engine, the number 3 would be 1, 2, 3. So it would be this one. I'm gonna swap it, but I have to remove this cover. The 10mm bolts. We got 4 of them. One, two, three. So this is gonna be number 3. And I'm going to remove this one with number 4. Okay, so this is number 3. And this one is number 4. I'm gonna put this one over here. Okay, there you go. Let's see. There. Let's see what the scanner says. I don't know if you guys remember what misfire was on cylinder 3, and it's still giving me misfire on cylinder number 3. Okay, so it's not the ignition coil then. So I got misfire on number 3. I'm going to be changing the spark plug with number 4. Then you have to remove the ignition coil. So I will be resetting the computer again. But now we have to change the injector. Oh man, that's more work. So this is where the injectors are. This is number 2. This is number 1. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna have to remove this one. This is the one that is giving misfire. This cylinder over here. Okay. Let's see how it goes. There you go. Okay. I don't know if you could see it, but this is number 3 over here. I'm gonna be changing it with this one. This is number 4. You have to remove this clip that is holding the injector. Let's do the other one. Okay, so this is number 4. I'm going to be placing this one over here on number 3, and this one on number 4. Okay. There you go. Okay. Okay, it's ready. Let's check. Oh, I forgot this one. Don't forget this one. Okay. The check engine light on again, and let's see what it's giving me. If it's giving me misfire on cylinder 3, what? Now we're screwed, because we still have cylinder misfire on cylinder number 3. We have to check the compression now. Come on.